Okay, here is the pickup bed. This is the only remaining body piece that needs to be finished to put the Defender together. Did some repairs to it, and there continued to be corrosion coming up as paint was cleaned off. So finally you had the whole thing media blasted and stripped, and this is the result you see. So we've got some roughness in here where water's been trapped for years underneath the top covering. We've got some deterioration of the metal floor, so when you move in, there's holes here, holes here, holes up at the front edge, and the sides, basically those are in good shape. The front faces here, this is where gravel sprays up from the rear wheels. We have holes on both sides, and then we have holes here. So we're looking at how to resolve this in the most economical fashion possible. And once we've got a resolution of that, this can be painted. Seeing these kinds of rust holes in all of these hidden places, you know, this is really the heart of the vehicle, so we can't just leave this stuff rotted away. We've got to fix it. And if we don't fix it, it'll just continue to disintegrate. All of these surfaces are going to have to be painted and undercoated to go back together so that the problem doesn't recur, and that gives us a lasting repair. So that is where we stand with this last piece.